In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book an Airbnb for 10 months in just a couple of minutes. Whether you're considering a long-term remote work stay, embarking on a sabbatical, or planning an extended vacation, this guide will walk you through each step, making the process swift and straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, open the Airbnb website using your preferred web browser. As the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. If you already have an Airbnb account, you can simply log in. But if you're new to Airbnb, don't worry, signing up is quick and easy. For even more convenience, you might choose to log in using your Google account. Just click on Continue with Google and select the account you prefer. This method will seamlessly sign you in or even create a new account if necessary, making it a breeze to get started. With your account ready and logged in, focus on the check-in section on the homepage. Click on it and be sure to search for the months option, which specifically accommodates long-term stays. This is where you'll set the duration of your stay. Adjust the slider or use the plus and minus buttons to indicate a stay for 10 months. Pay special attention to selecting your start and end dates accurately. This step is crucial as it ensures you're viewing real-time availability and pricing for your chosen period. Once you've set your desired dates, hit that search button. Airbnb will then generate a list of properties available for a 10-month stay. As you browse through these listings, take note of critical details such as their location, amenities, and importantly, guest reviews. Reviews can be particularly helpful as they offer insights into the quality and reliability of each property, helping you make an informed decision. When a listing catches your eye and seems to meet your requirements, click on it to gather more information. On the property's page, you'll be able to view a range of photos and read all available reviews. This is also a great opportunity to reach out to the host with any specific questions or requests you may have. This interaction can be especially beneficial if you need clarification on things like pet policies or the proximity of public transport options. And there you have it. By following these steps, booking a 10-month Airbnb stay can be seamlessly simple. Once your booking is confirmed, you can begin planning for your extended stay and look forward to all the new experiences that await. Enjoy your journey and happy planning.